Hey guys, so on July 7th, 2022, I finally became debt free. I actually paid my car off that morning. It felt so good, y'all, after 22 months. And I got my title just like the day before yesterday, so that felt even better. I actually got this sign from Michael's. It was right under $5, so very affordable. Those letters were giving me a hard time though, y'all. I was like, what in the world? But you actually see the number 42K here, and I went back and I was recalculating everything, and I actually have forgot to add in 2 items. So I paid off literally right under $43,000 in 22 months. I was gazelle intense, y'all. 4 jobs. I mean, I hustled these last almost 2 years. I'm actually going to do a separate video where I really talk about my debt-free journey. So don't worry, I will give you all of the details. But I wanted to commemorate it by doing a photo shoot. So I actually did a photo shoot. You will see it here in a few. But y'all, it just feels so good to finally be here. All right, y'all. So this is the selfie bar in Dallas, Texas. It's in the Addison area, and it's a cute little place. I was like, I want to do like a real like photo shoot. So this was really good and affordable. They give you a ring light to kind of carry around with you. That helped me a lot because I actually went by myself. So don't worry, you can go to these places by yourself. They have the materials there. That last pink room was my favoriteest room ever. It went really good with my outfit. And then I love this one, of course. Y'all know Miss Dugan loves everything pink and gold. Like, that's my constant color scheme. But it's these little places, I've only been to one, and this one was just really, really nice. The music was hitting. I actually would go back. But I had a great experience overall. And I took several different photos. You get like an hour time slot, and I definitely used my hour time slot. I thought somebody was coming there, y'all. But I took several photos, and then I did videos like these where I could kind of take the screenshots for them. I thought those were really, really cute. There was this one room that just reminded me of a music video, y'all. I had to get my model on in there. You will see it in a second. But I really just enjoyed this experience. Get it, Miss Dugan. Get it. Yes, debt free. Give it to the peoples. All right, y'all, I hope you enjoyed this video. Drop down in the comments and let me know, what did you think?